In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clear, organized board view that reflects your workflow and helps you track progress at a glance. First, open your ClickUp account. Once you're in, head to the specific space where you want to work. Spaces are the high-level containers for your projects, so choosing the right one keeps everything neatly organized and easy to find later. Inside that space, look for the option to add a new view. Click Add View, and from the available view types, select the Board option, also known as Kanban. This is the visual workflow view that shows your tasks as cards moving through stages from left to right. When prompted, enter a name for your new board view. Pick something descriptive so your teammates immediately understand what they're looking at, like product pipeline or sprint board. Now your Kanban board is ready. You'll see columns that represent the stages of your project workflow, and your existing tasks will appear as cards within those columns. Each color on your Kanban board represents a stage in your workflow. These colors are tied to statuses in ClickUp and provide quick visual cues for where each task stands. For example, you might see green for completed items and another color for tasks that are just getting started. Glancing at the board, you can instantly tell how work is distributed and what might need attention. You can drag tasks across the board to update their stage. Moving a card from one column to the next is how you reflect progress. This is the heart of Kanban. Simple, fast, and transparent. If your board has many columns, drag left or right to reveal everything that's off screen. You can also drag column edges to adjust widths, making room for longer task titles or key details on the cards. As you explore, you'll notice additional features along the top bar, like filtering and sorting options. These help you focus on what matters most without changing the underlying workflow. Feel free to customize this board so it mirrors how your team actually works. You can adjust colors, refine stage names to match your process, and reorder columns so the flow feels natural from start to finish. The goal is to make the board intuitive. When someone lands here, they should immediately understand where tasks begin, how they move, and what done looks like. With this setup, ClickUp's Kanban view becomes your team's live visual dashboard for getting work across the finish line.